Hey guys, today I have an Amazon Prime styling service box, and I am excited because I think there are some affordable, wonderful pieces in here, and I'm excited about it. Now, in my last box, I was very surprised because I got like an amazing jacket for like 30 bucks and a great pair of pants for like 20 bucks, and they just somehow found some amazing deals to send me. So I was very impressed with this service just from the fact of getting some affordable pieces. I don't know that I was overly excited about the styling of it. I was just more about getting some great quality pieces sent to me at a good price. So if you're not familiar with their service, it's just $5 a month. You go on, I think you might have to have the app. You basically search for Personal Shopper by Prime Wardrobe, and you then have the ability to sign up for this. And like I said, it's just $5 a month. Does not apply to anything you purchase, but with it only being $5, it's like cool. Free shipping and stuff too. So you do have the opportunity each month to put in a note for your stylist. I just didn't get around to it, so there was no note, but I was still happy with what they sent. They sent me, I think I counted this time, and it was 15 items, and you choose anywhere from 3 to 8 number of items to get sent to you. So I always max it out at 8, because why not get sent more stuff than less, you know? So I think I was happy with some of the pieces they sent. I don't actually really remember what all I picked out, just because it does take a little bit of time for them to ship stuff out to you. Okay, so everything comes packaged, so I will pull it out, unwrap it, and then talk to you guys about it. Okay, first off, we have this kind of dressy, blousey shirt, probably like a polyester or something like that. This is by Kenzie. It's red, which is one of my favorite colors to wear, and I really don't have enough of it in my wardrobe. It does have splits on the side and then this tie front here. It is pretty short, but I have a lot of high-waisted things that I should be able to wear with it. It'll just be a matter of, you know, do I have to wear a cami underneath it, because, you know, the slits in the side end up kind of showing too much skin, because this is kind of a work top in my opinion. So really like it though, really like that. This is by Calvin Klein. This is something beautiful and white. Let's see what this is. So this is a sleeveless top, and then it's got this pleating along the front. I really like this. Like, unless this is like super awkward and doesn't fit, this is gonna stay with me. This is actually a petite extra small, so I'm always happy when I get sent petites, which I did get several petites in my last box, so again, I was really happy about that. Really pretty though. I like this pleating detail. Okay, this is by 9 West, and this is another dressy type top. I've got 3 dressy type tops here that they've sent. Got a seam down at the front, and then kind of this almost like a collar type thing here at the top. So we'll see how that fits on, but I like this. You're killing it with the dressy blouses. Usually I'm not like a huge pattern person, but I did decide that it had some cute details, like the belling here on the sleeve, and some of these colors I really like with black, like the pink and the gray. So it has some decent colors with it, so I thought, why not give it a try. Looking at the pattern, I think it's probably a little bit too much for me, but you know, this is why we try stuff. Now we have a pair of pants. These are Lee, and they're modern series, and just a green, kind of an olive green, light olive green type. I think it's a straight pant. Looks nice and high-waisted. So I don't have any pants this color, so might be keepers. We will see. Then we have by Lark and Row, which I have tried that a few times. This navy dress here with the twist front top, which I think that's a really cute detail. I really don't need this because I got a short sleeve navy dress with scalloping on it in one of my Stitch Fix recently, which I'm obsessed with. I love it. So I don't need this because it's like, how many navy dresses does a girl need? But it's super cute. All right, and then another pair of pants. These are more of a medium wash here. These are by, who are you by? Oh, NYDJ, Not Your Daughter's Jeans. And it looks like no distressing. These are like a clean pair, which is nice because, again, I can only wear non-distressed pants to work, so I like to have a few pairs of those. Some whiskering here. So I like these. These feel nice. They have a rear uplift, so we'll see what it does for my rear. All right, and the last thing is a pair of shoes. This is actually Amazon Essentials, and I'm gonna have to cut this open. Okay, look at these. I like these. These are by, oh yeah, Amazon Essentials. I already looked that up. So that's interesting, and yeah, you see that inside. So, okay, I mean, they feel, you know, not like the most quality. They feel kind of light and cheapish, but I think the price was decent, so they might be worth keeping and trying. I do like a boot like this. I think these are really cute. So, yeah, we'll give this a try. I like it. Really happy about all these pieces. I think the only piece in here that I'm kind of like about was that Gloria Vanderbilt top. But everything else I really like, so I'll probably have some hard decisions to make. But let's go ahead and try this stuff on. Okay, first up, this dress is gorgeous. I'm in love with it. It's thin, which is going to be good in the summertime. I doubt I would wear this much in the fall. I don't really wear dresses very much in the fall anyways because it's cold. But here's what I love. It's got this boat neck, and I think that's a really cute detail. It's got this tie front, twist front, not tie front. And I think that is super cute because here's the thing. I was super bloated this morning, and you can't tell. You can't tell that I'm bloated because of this extra fabric right here. So it does some beautiful hiding. And it's not too tight, I don't think. We'll see when I go to edit this video. My only issue is that I already have a navy dress with a similar silhouette, so I really don't need two. But I think I will go online and see if I can find this dress in a different color, because that would be a keeper to me. And since there's no harm in sending this back, and I've got Amazon Prime for free shipping, it's really nothing off of me if I am able to find this in a different color. If I'm not able to find it in a different color, I'm still going to keep it because I love it. So, all right, let's go to the next outfit. Next up, we have these green pants and the patterned shirt with the bell sleeve. The patterned shirt's actually a really good fit. And the bell sleeve is not too big, not too belly. There's actually like a little bit of crochet detail right here on the sleeve, which is a cute detail. And then it's got kind of these pearlish buttons down the front. But alas, I think the pattern, I'm just kind of I'm not really in love with it, but I'm glad that I tried it. It's just not really my thing. Now these pants, I think I like. I'm not sure. So they're not really jeans. They're almost like, I don't even know how to describe the material, but they're not a jean material. They're kind of a slicker type material. Anyways, so, but they feel pretty good. I wish they were slightly, they fit well here around the waist, so I always appreciate that. They are a straight leg, which is nice variety for me. They are slightly long, so depending on the shoe, I would maybe have to roll it up a little bit, but it's not too bad actually. So, I'm on the fence as far as these. So this top is a little bit unexpected for me. When I pulled it out of the bag, I absolutely loved it because I love the pleating on it. And I think that's really pretty, and I can always use more white tops for layering and wearing with some patterned skirts and pants and things like that. So I can always use more white tops. So I thought for sure this was a keeper. But it's got like this rounded hem. It's kind of sewn in. There's no tucking this. Let me show it to you guys. So you can see this hem here, and it just kind of sits like this. It almost looks like it's tucked and kind of pulled out quite a bit. I think it gives it kind of a more boxy look than I would want, but I'm on the fence. All right, let's go to the next outfit. Okay, so next up we have the Not Your Daughter jeans on and this black top. So black top fits great. This will get a ton of use in my work wardrobe. So I can't remember the prices, but if it's not crazy, then I think I will be keeping this. The Not Your Daughter jeans, oh, they feel really good. They got almost to my belly button. Again, I wish they were slightly higher, but they feel really good. Snugness. I can't tell what it does to my rear yet, so I will make sure to check that out. But it's supposed to have uplift, so I don't mind a little uplift. And then I've got on the combat boots, the black combat boots. I got one leg that's tucked in and another that's rolled up, which by the way, the pants are quite long, so they definitely have to be rolled or tucked. So really like all three of these pieces. Really happy with these jeans. I like the wash of them, the fit. I think they were pretty affordable, so they might be staying with me. I like all three of these pieces. What do you guys think? Okay, so this top, I think it's pretty. I like it's got a decent thickness to it. I like the short sleeve on it because I don't always want to wear sleeveless, so it's nice to have some short sleeve in the winter. The tie front is cute, and then the slits aren't really an issue because I've got on some high-waisted pants. So I like these. I like these a lot. I like this top. I think it's cute. All right, so I showed you guys prices as we went along, even though I didn't remember what the price of anything was. So I will review that, and then let's just do a quick recap and talk about what I'm going to keep. All right, guys, I have some tough decisions to make. I tried to split this into like two groups of definitely not keeping and maybe keeping, but I'm keeping more the maybes. It's kind of adding up to more than I want it to be. So let's just quickly go through these. The Greenlee jeans, I liked them. I just don't think I'd be super excited to grab them, so I'm just gonna go ahead and send those back. This pattern was just not my cup of tea, so that's not staying. This shirt, been on kind of on the fence of it because I could always use more tops like this, more layering pieces, but I think this kind of bubble top bottom and kind of where it lies on my body, I think that's just going to be a deal breaker. So I think that's not going to say. Plus that was the most expensive item at $42, so I don't feel so bad not keeping that. All right, now this red top, kind of been on a fence on this one. I like it. Again, I don't know how excited I would get on it. So since I'm on the fence, now this one was super affordable. What was this? This was $16.96. So this is super affordable. So I guess that's still in the maybe pile because that's cheap. The combat boots, I like them. My only hesitation is they do feel a bit light and cheap. So it's hard to tell with these Amazon essentials. They seem to be a pretty low price point, and is that because they're cheap? So I don't know. It's particularly this sole here that just feels not that great, but who knows? Maybe it would hold up wonderfully. So $35 for a pair of boots are not bad, but it's not great if they're going to be a cheap, crappy pair. Like, could I get these at Walmart and get the same quality? I don't know. So that's, again, a maybe. The 9 West top here, this black one, I do really like that, and I think I would get a lot of wear from it. So that's definitely a keeper. This dress is definitely a keeper, this twist front dress. I haven't looked yet to see if I could find it in a different color, so I will put in the description of the video below whether or not I was able to find it in a different color, and if not, I've got two very similar navy dresses. So what? It's beautiful. I love it. And then the Not Your Daughter jeans. Yes, I'm keeping these. They are $18. They fit great. I like that they're straight leg. I like that they're a clean jean that I could wear to work on Fridays, so definitely keeping. So the all right, so I guess I had 3 definites and 2 that I'm on the fence with. So I'd love to get your opinions on what you like, what you didn't like, what should I keep, what do you think about life, how you doing, all of it, put it in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, then please subscribe below, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video.